Who doesn't want a healthy white smile? Hello everyone, this is Hussein the dentist here, and today I will be talking about a topic which I have been asked so many times, and it is whitening teeth. Before we start to talk about teeth whitening, first we need to understand what is tooth discoloration, what are the causes of tooth discoloration, and what are the types of tooth discoloration. Tooth discoloration is defined as any change in the color or translucency of a tooth. It could include a multiple teeth or an entire arch. There are several reasons and causes for tooth discoloration. Some of them are related to the individual's lifestyle. For example, the type of food he's having, the type of beverage he's drinking, oral hygiene, smoking. Other reasons that causes tooth discolorations are reasons that we cannot control. For example, age, accidents, genetics. Tooth discoloration or teeth discoloration could be divided into extrinsic stains or intrinsic stains, or it could be a combination of both. Extrinsic stains result from accumulation of color compounds on the outer surface of the tooth. Now, extrinsic stains is primarily associated with the individual's lifestyle. For example, the consumption of highly pigmented food or highly pigmented beverages like dark berries, coffee, tea, smoking also, oral hygiene of the individual as well. On the other hand, intrinsic stains or intrinsic discoloration occurs inside the tooth. Now, it could arise due to several reasons. It could arise due to aging, when the enamel or the outer layer of the tooth becomes thinner and more translucent. Or it could arise due to genetics, or it could arise due to accidents when bleeding or hemorrhage inside the tooth causes discoloration. All right, now that we have discussed tooth discoloration causes and types, at least in brief, now let's talk about teeth whitening. Teeth whitening could be divided into two large groups: teeth whitening at home or teeth whitening at the dental office, or professionally administered teeth whitening. Let's start with the teeth whitening at home. There are several products out there that you could buy over the counter for whitening teeth, including whitening strips, whitening toothpastes, whitening trays, whitening mouthwashes, whitening gels, and so on. Let's start with the whitening strips. Whitening strips, they are a thin films that you apply on your teeth. It contains bleaching ingredients. The advantages of using whitening strips include it is easy to use, it is inexpensive, it is convenient. You can use it on your own schedule according to your time. The disadvantages of using whitening strips include that they cause uneven whitening, especially if you have a little bit crowded teeth, because you are applying a thin film on uneven teeth structure. Now, the other disadvantages is that they might slip and they might cause irritation of the gums. Another product that you could buy over the counter is whitening toothpaste. Whitening toothpaste, they are just normal toothpaste, but they contain bleaching ingredients and they also contain abrasive. Some of them might contain abrasives. Abrasive, they usually they act by abrading the outer layer of enamel or the outer layer of the tooth so that they remove the stains. Now, the advantages of using whitening toothpaste is that they are easy to use. I mean, come on, they are toothpaste. Like, everybody knows how to use paste, I assume, and also they are inexpensive and they are convenient also. However, the disadvantages of using whitening toothpaste is that the results are not immediate. The results shows gradually in time, and also whitening toothpastes, they contain abrasive, as I said before, and the overuse of whitening toothpaste or toothpaste that contain too much of abrasive might causes a little bit damage to the outer layer of the tooth. Another product that could be used for whitening teeth at home is trays, whitening trays. Whitening trays, basically, they are flexible trays that could be adjusted to your teeth, and it could be used as a carrier or as a medium so that you can put your whitening or the bleaching ingredient on it, and then you deliver it to the teeth. The advantages of using whitening trays is that they are also inexpensive compared to going to the dentist, and also they are convenient. You can use them according to your time. The disadvantages, though, they are a little bit bulky, like putting it in the mouth, some people might make them feel uncomfortable. And also, the leakage of the bleaching ingredients that you put it on the tray might a little bit causes irritation to the gums. The second group of whitening teeth is teeth whitening at the dental office, or professionally administered teeth whitening. Now, there are several methods and techniques for whitening teeth at the dental office. Of course, you have to ask your dentist so that he can give you the difference between these methods. However, I will just briefly brush on it. Let's start with the first method, which is bleaching the teeth. Now, the difference between the bleaching ingredients that is used at the dental office and then the bleaching ingredients that you can find in the home kits is that at the dental office, they use more concentrated bleaching ingredients. So the results are achieved faster. It is like one appointment, 30-60 minutes. You can they apply the paste to your teeth, and it might also involve the application of heat or laser to accelerate the results. Now, another technique for whitening teeth at the dental office is micro-abrasion. Micro-abrasion basically work by the removal of stains and by removal of the superficial layer of the outer layer of the tooth. Now, also this technique has advantages and disadvantages, and each technique has its own indications compared to the bleaching. I suggest that you discuss that with your dentist. Now, another option for whitening the teeth is masking options. Now, masking options, might include composites, or might include crowns, porcelain crowns, or it might include veneers. Now, masking options, basically, it is not removing the stains on the tooth, but it is basically applying cover that covers these stains. Now, this option could be advantages for some people, especially people who have defects of the teeth or defects of the outer layer of the teeth, or also it could help to cover some crowding of the teeth. If there is mild crowding, this could be corrected when it is used, for example, veneers. It could be used to correct some degree of crowding. Also, at the dental office, a combination of methods and techniques could be applied for whitening teeth, of course, at the recommendation of the dentist. For example, some patients, they want veneers. So veneers usually is applied on the front teeth that shows in the smile. The other teeth, the dentist could apply on them bleaching, or could apply on them microabrasion. Also, there's like some patients, of course, after the recommendation of the dentist could recommend first using bleaching and then using microabrasion to achieve the best results. Alright, now that we have talked about teeth whitening options at home and teeth whitening options at the dental office, there are a few thoughts that I would like to share with you. The first one and the most important one is, please consult your dentist. Talk to your dentist before you buy over-the-counter products or before doing anything. That's the best method so that you will save your time and save your money. Because each patient and each person has different indications and different cases of teeth discoloration. So first, talk to your dentist. The second thought that I would like to share with you, that please remember that only natural teeth could be whitened. So implants, restoration cannot be whitened with the bleaching products. Also, an important thought that I would like to share with you is that the most common adverse effects of using whitening products on your teeth is teeth sensitivity, and it is gum irritation, because bleaching ingredients, they could cause some pores or some little bit small holes into the enamel. Also, if the bleaching ingredients or the bleaching material comes on your gums, it could sting your gum, and also it can cause irritation of the gums. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and please thumbs up if you find the content of this video helpful to you. Leave me down in the comment section below if you have any opinion or experience with teeth whitening, and I'll catch up with you guys with the next video.